Hey everybody, this is Wendy. Thanks for joining me today. Today I wanted to show you my June thank you gift. This is a couple of cute card kits that I've put together that I thought you might enjoy. They're beautiful, bright colors, reminds me a lot of the month of June. So I'm using all the new in colors from Stampin' Up! And I've also decided to use the Stitched All Around framelit set and the Stitched All Around stamp set. These are the new in colors, so you're definitely going to want to add those to your wish list, but you can purchase those now if you want them. You actually get a discount if you purchase them before May 31st. So here's how the kits will come in the mail to you. You actually get 2 kits per card, so a total of 4 card kits plus the envelope. And everything comes cut and punched and ready for you to assemble. And if you don't have the Stitched All Around stamp set, which you wouldn't if you haven't ordered it yet on June 1st, then, sorry about the sirens going by, then you can use any other stamp set to stamp in your images. So I used Call Me Clover and Lovely Lipstick ink to stamp both of these in case you want to make them your own. You get exclusive videos from me and both the card kits, like I said, 2 of each, when you place a minimum purchase of $50 or more using the current host code. That can be found over on my blog. I hope you place an order with me between May 23rd and June 22nd to get these awesome kits. You can always shop at shoploveandstampin.com or go to my website at loveandstampin.com and shop there. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you have any questions for me, feel free to ask in the comments. In the description below the video are all the links. Thanks so much.